Hey guys, RD here from PROTRADERS Network, and right now we are looking at the Aussie dollar chart on the daily time frame. So let's take a look at what is in store for Aussie traders out there, right? So at this point, guys, as you can see, we have support at the 0.71 level, after which we saw price actually bouncing up from there. And right now, as you can see, we are heading towards this particular support, which is now possibly going to be a resistance, right? However, guys, do take note that the candles here, right, and here shows strong long bullish candles, and I feel that this particular support turn resistance could easily be smashed, and we could see actually price test these highs here at around the 0.74 level, right? But of course, this is just my thoughts, because I see that price action here is really strong, and the bulls are in fact trying to actually do something here to try and actually push price further to the upside. So I believe that this particular level will be broken, but over the next few days and weeks maybe we will see otherwise. But this is what I feel at this point. And if you are going to take this trade to actually go short here, just be careful, because you got to actually, you know, admit that these three candles here, this one, the two, and this one, number three, these three candles are looking very strong. All right, so guys, if let's say price continues to the upside, of course you got to take a look here at the 0.74 level, and remember our 200 moving average in this, which is depicted as this purple line, right? We might see some resistance as well at this point, which coincides with this level here, right, which was one support and it turned resistance. So we might see actually price actually going lower from here, retesting the lows here before possibly retesting the top side. All right, so if we actually use the Fibonacci tool, and if we take actually the last swing high at this point here, and if we bring it down lower, we also see that the 32.8 level, the 382 level, Fibonacci level, and as well as the 50 level coincides also with the 0.75, which I have actually depicted here, and is also quite near, all right, to this particular zone here, which is between 0.740 to 0.7450. all right. So however, guys, if let's say this particular support level is broken, all right, and price decides to actually make a continuation of the down move, we might expect some support at around this level at the 0.70 level. All right, so if this particular level doesn't hold, we might see price going lower, but if not, you know, there's a possibility that it will hold, basically because back in 24th September last year and 29 October last year, it provided support, right? So we might see some rebound from here, just in case price actually fall below this level of 0.71. all right. So however, guys, at this point in time, we can say that price is looking slightly bullish with these long candles here, as well as price actually closing above the 9 exponential moving average. As you can see in the past, every time when price touches the 9 exponential moving average, it provided resistance. All right, yes, here we saw the price basically extending higher a little, but it pushed lower quickly to the downside, as well as here we can see it pushed a little bit higher over the 9 exponential moving average, but it actually moved to the downside. But in this case, guys, we saw it punching above the 9 EMA at this point, retesting it, okay, extending a bit lower, and then you see this big long candle up, and then followed by an indecision candle, a doji, and at this point we have price actually retesting higher levels, right? So yep, the momentum is slightly bullish on the Aussie dollar, and I think it will be interesting to see what price does, you know, in the next couple of days. Hopefully we will revisit this particular chart again. And thank you once again, guys, for actually tuning into PROTRADERS Network and our videos, and hopefully you have benefited from it. And also don't forget to actually subscribe to our channel, right? So you will not miss any of our future videos again. All right, so thank you very much for tuning in, and RD signing out.